The Lubluelu 25000Pa Cordless Stick Vacuum is equipped with a powerful 235-watt motor that provides strong suction, making it ideal for handling a variety of cleaning tasks effortlessly. With a runtime of up to 50 minutes, this vacuum offers impressive operating time, allowing you to clean larger areas without needing frequent recharges. Its self-standing design eliminates the hassle of wall-mounted brackets, providing convenience and easy storage when not in use. The vacuum's lightweight construction, weighing only 4.6 pounds, ensures that you can clean for extended periods without straining your wrists. Featuring a flexible LED floor brush, it can easily maneuver and illuminate dark corners, ensuring no dust or dirt is left behind. The detachable battery feature allows for versatile charging options, providing the flexibility to charge either within the unit or separately, which is particularly convenient for extended use.